Okay, this here is my solution to a broken 55-gallon aquarium support. As you can see, it broke right out of the tank, and without that the walls are bulging. So I went down to the hardware store and I bought some 1.5 inch aluminum angle, 1.5 inch, it's 1/16 inch thick, and I got a 1/8 inch thick piece of bar stock, some rivets, as you can see, riveted on there, and it fits perfect. As you can see, I'm pushing on this, there's no deflection whatsoever, and now I think I'm going to epoxy it to the plastic. I got some stuff by down at the Ace Hardware. It's for bonding metal to plastic, made by JB Weld, and I think I'm going to put that on there so that it doesn't rise or come off. But that is the solution. Very easy. The whole thing cost me less, about $20 for everything. Just need some basic hand tools. I used rivets, so they're nice and flat. And you can see here that the lid fits on perfectly. Fits on perfect. Very good. Well, that's my solution.